Hey everyone, this is Kevin T. Rodriguez, film critic of iCritic.net. Thank you so much for joining me here today on my media channel for what is pretty much going to be our first upload of the new year, though I do have several other unboxings that I've previously done, and I'm going to be scheduling them out. Now, the first thing you might notice, audio sounds a little different, and if it kind of goes in and out, it's because these dumb lapel mics are not working, and I already learned my lesson with the Ninja Turtles unboxing. If it's blinking, it's not recording, so I'm recording through the phone. Hopefully that doesn't end up being too much of an issue. Great way to start 2026 though, right? Well, anyway, today we are going to be unboxing Yorgos Lanthimos' Bulgonia. Sorry, just had a hiccup there. And oh, don't tell me I'm going to get the hiccups now. So anyway, this is a crazy movie. So you may recall that I put his previous film, Kinds of Kindness, on my worst films of the year list and wrote in my review, Yorgos Lanthimos isn't making a movie, he's playing a practical joke on the audience, and I felt that way. But this is a return to the Lanthimos I love. It's weird, it's darkly funny, it's unique. This is like the example, like when people say, well, why didn't you like Kinds of Kindness? Well, this is why I didn't like Kinds of Kindness, because you can do weird and you can do strange without being whatever that was. So this is before Oscar nominations. I think it's going to get some. I don't know how many exactly, but it's going to get a few probably. And I am looking forward to rewatching this little bit of weirdness. So, the cover is, I think, it's primarily recreating the theatrical poster minus the credits and things like that. It kind of dawns on me with things like this that, this logo just might be way too big. It says collector's edition. I don't know what makes a collector's edition. Maybe they're only doing one run. I don't know. On the back, it highlights Jesse Plemons' character and Emma Stone's character as well. There's a digital copy. Sorry if I wasn't keeping that. There are some special features on here. That's pretty awesome. And it's from Focus and Universal. Now they're, as we saw with like the Phoenician scheme, pretty good at putting, artwork on discs and stuff. So we're going to open this and we're going to see if, Bulgonia gets that treatment. If we get to see Emma Stone's melting face. Actually, that's honey for those who have not seen the movie. Like I said, it's a strange movie, but it's also... it's strange in all the right ways, so we'll put it that way. Let's see if they do anything. Gotta love the open the plastic, take the code out, and yep, that's what I was hoping for. So, and by the way, this one, the Blu-ray, is red colored. That is far more appropriate than the green color, the Phoenician scheme. Which, now that I think about it, I've recorded that, but I haven't uploaded it, so that's going to come out afterwards. But, yeah, love the design of the disc. This is really neat. Love it. So, definitely happy to have this one in the collection. I did not put it on my top 10 best films of the year list. Just, I found some better movies, but this was still a lot of fun. So now, of course, the question is passed to you. What do you think of this title? Do you have it on 4K disc? Do you just have it on Blu-ray? Where do you think this ranks in Yorgos Lanthimos' very eccentric filmography? And also, how does the sound? Was it too bad this time? I'm gonna work on getting the microphones working again. Maybe I'll break down and I'll try buying a wired lapel microphone for things like this, because I'm only like an inch or two away from it, but it's very annoying to keep buying these things and having them last for maybe a few months and then they just don't connect even after you recharge them. But anyway, I would like to know, so comment below, like, favorite, share, subscribe, and as always, flame responsibly. Have a good one.
Hey, you made it to the end. Thank you so much for making it to the end. Just a few more things. First of all, the names that you see on the screen, these are our Patreon and YouTube member supporters, and I thank each and every one of them. Their support helps me make exclusive videos for Patreon and YouTube members, as well as keep the channel running, and of course is just of huge kindness to me. Also, don't forget to check out the iCritic-led podcast on Spotify, Apple, Google, Deezer, whatever podcasting service you listen to, it is there. We definitely want to see you there. And hey, there's also other videos that you can check out. So, check out these other channels, these other videos, especially that one, I think that's a really good one.